For plants to thrive, they need soil that has three things working in harmony with one another. The first is the physical, which is the pH and the actual soil type. The second is the chemical, which are the minerals and nutrients available in the soil. And the final one is the biological. This represents all the living organisms in the soil. When all three of these are working together, you'll have a vibrant, healthy environment for plants to thrive.
GOGO Juice is an advanced biological product that helps to boost the biology of your soil. It's packed with billions of microbes as well as seaweed, fish and humic acid that help boost soil health, support plant growth and keep your garden thriving all year round.
GOGO Juice works with all plant and soil types alongside your regular fertilising routine and should be applied every 2 to 4 weeks year round. Just add 1 capful, around 40 millilitres, into a 10 litre watering can. Then top it up with water to dilute. The microbes are in a sleeping state until diluted, so be sure not to miss this step. Apply it directly over the garden to soak the soil. You can keep and use any leftover diluted mix for up to a week after dilution. GOGO Juice is also safe to use with seedlings. When you're ready to plant, simply dip your seedlings in a bucket of GOGO Juice before planting out until the bubbles stop appearing, and then plant out as normal.
GOGO Juice is available both as a concentrate and a ready-to-use hose-on, but it's important to remember GOGO Juice is not a fertiliser, it's a probiotic which provides a boost of living microbiology necessary for plants and soils to operate at their optimum levels.
Containing a diversity of beneficial microbes, GOGO Juice enhances nutrient cycling and unlocks nutrients in the soil for better plant uptake while boosting overall plant health, vitality and resilience.
Visit the Nutrog website for more information or call into your local garden centre to shop the Nutrog range.